Hey, it's Pulse here for Pioneer DJ, and this is a walkthrough video for setting up the DDJ-SX2 for rekordbox DJ. If you're looking for the original SX, check the link in the description below. So the first thing we'll do is make sure that we only have audio output and power connected. Don't connect the USB until you have a driver installed, which we'll do through rekordbox. Once rekordbox is open, ensure that you're in performance mode by clicking the drop down in the top left. If you don't see this, or you see a trial button, click the trial to activate or purchase a license for rekordbox DJ. Next, click the gear icon to open the preferences, and on the audio tab, click the driver button. Scroll down to find the DDJ-SX2 driver, double click, and click yes on the security warning. Select your language, click OK, and on the license agreement, agree and click install. Once it's completed, click close, and now you can connect the USB cable. Windows will detect your hardware, and rekordbox will automatically be configured for the DDJ-SX2 ASIO driver. You'll note that the master output and the phones have been selected, and the input recording has already defaulted to the master out with no option to change it. So that's it, you're pretty much ready to go. Close the preferences, load up a song, and hit play. You'll note that the master level is being recorded here on the output, and you can hit the record button to save your set. That's it. If you have any other questions, visit us at forums.pioneerdj.com. My name is Pulse. Thanks for watching.